Welcome to Talk Through Play, where we share ideas to encourage your child's speech and language development. All videos are created by a certified speech-language pathologist. Today's activity is laundry sorting. All you need is the typical things you use for doing your laundry: clothes, washing machine, laundry basket. Work on modeling and helping your child to use vocabulary around laundry, such as clothing items, colors, and sizes. For example, shirt, blue shirt, or big shirt. Other concepts to practice are clean and dirty or same and different. Let's put the dirty clothes here. Let's fold the clean clothes. Are these socks the same or different? This is a great activity for following 1 to 2 step directions. For example, put the socks in the basket. It's also great for answering questions. Whose sock is this? Where did we put the clothes? Use it as an opportunity to expand what your child says spontaneously. For example, if they say, pants, you might say, yes, mommy's pants. This is a great activity for practicing the cognitive skills of matching and sorting. You can sort by clothing type. Let's put the pants in this pile and the shirts in this pile. You can also help your child to sort by color. Let's put all the blue shirts together and all the white shirts together. Here's some extra tips. Repeat and expand what your child says by one word. Use gestures and hold up items for visual support. Pause and give them time to respond. Use silly voices or be playful to increase their engagement and interest. Thank you for joining us today. Go to our website talkthroughplay.com for a downloadable handout for this activity. Stay tuned for more ideas to encourage your child's speech and language skills.